Good morning and good evening, everyone. I'm going to cook special, delicious calderita beef. It's very yummy and very tasty. So, super big pot or frying pan, guys. So first, we have to add oil and then stir fry like seconds the 30 seconds of bell pepper. And then after that, you have to sit aside in a clean plate. So anuin na natin yun, guys. So later is easy to put again. You don't need to cook bell pepper. You just put there, and also carrots. We have to stir fry the carrots with a half cook, and same of the potatoes. And then also it's same process, set aside. And then after that you have to add the potato. This kind of recipe, guys, is very delicious. It's a lot of friends, family, or other people that love my recipe. So beef calderita, we call in the Philippines calderita. So we have to the same process with like the carrots and also the potato. So to avoid mass later, too much cook. So now after this, we have to change our frying pan with the big pan, and also we put the butter, a lot of butter, and also like 7 cubes of fresh garlic I chop. And then you have to stir fry. I add a little bit of oil so it's not get burned, and also I add the onions chop. So very yummy, guys. We eat this with rice. We call it's like beef stew, but in our Philippines is calderita, beef calderita with different recipe or ingredients, in other words. So now we have to put the meat. We have to boil almost 2 hours or 1 hour and a half. It depends how the meat is soft, and then you have to cover it. So when I boil, sometimes I put medium or high, and then the sauce that I marinate the beef, guys, before I stir fry. Marinate with soy sauce, pickles release, and also black pepper, little bit of fish sauce. So as you can see now, we put the liver spread. So liver spread, it adds for thickness and delicious, like creamy. So we have to add a small kind of liver. So we have to boil again this, and also 5 or 4 cloves of bay leaves, or in our language is laurel. You have to try my calderita. Beef calderita is very delicious and super yummy and tender than beef. So now I add again the pickle release, which I add when I marinate my beef. So it's like a little bit and sweet and sour for that taste. And also like 2 tablespoons of whole milk or whatever evaporation milk. And then now I finished the liver spread. I don't need to put cornstarch because I don't want to get sticky. By the way, the potato is already have starch, and also the creamy liver spread, and also the raisins, pasas, or what do you call it? I put like this one, like 5 tablespoons of raisins, and also I add fish sauce of this, like 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, any kinds of fish sauce, and then also black pepper. I add like 1 cup of sugar to make sweeter and sweet, and a little bit sours. My calderita, and also the tomato sauce. I think I deleted the editing when I was editing the tomato sauce, which I put. So I put the tomato sauce like half can only, the small can, and also anato powder to put the color my calderita. So as you can see, guys, we had to boil it almost 2 hours until the meat it gets soft. So thank you so much. Subscribe, likes, and please leave comment, and don't forget the notification bells every time. So every time I upload my video, you always update it. So shout out to all my silent viewers, to all my subscribers. Thank you. Please support my channel, and if you like the channel, you have to share, and please leave comment and like. And then I add olive, black olive or green olive, and also I add the carrots. Carrot is already half cooked, so you don't need to overcook that. And also 3 cans of olive, guys. So you add a flavor like a little bit of salty sweetness, and also green peas or snow peas. So now you have to mix it well, and also I add 3 cubes of beef bouillon, and now I add 1/4 of bell pepper, so it gives flavor. And then after that, in the end, I add more the bell pepper. So now the potato. So I try not to over mix it, so I don't want the potato to get mashed and get turn our beef get sticky, or because of the so as you can see, is almost done. Our calderita special beef calderita. So subscribe now, and thank you, and please forgive me. I will visit your respond your comments later. And last but not the least, the shredded cheese or cube cheese, either one, whatever you have available cheese, to make your calderita creamy and tasty. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and leave comment and subscribe. And also, guys, I put a little bit of salt to taste, and also nor soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and black pepper of this. So now our food is ready to serve, guys, and we eat with rice and super yummy beef stew. Thank you for all support, guys. Now the bell pepper, the last bell pepper that I separated, because the 1/4 of that I already put there. So now, guys, we have to ready to serve, guys. Thank you. Now we have ready our rice, and let's eat. And subscribe, like, and please share and leave comment. Thank you for watching. God bless.